Thinkercan AI is making waves in the AI software space. And in this review, I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. If you're looking for a game-changing tool, stay tuned because I'm going to break down exactly what makes Thinkercan AI stand out and why you should seriously consider giving it a try. So, what exactly is Thinkercan AI? Simply put, it's an advanced AI software designed to enhance productivity in your business operations. Thinkercan integrates powerful machine learning and automation features that allow you to tackle everything from data management to customer service and more. But here's the catch, it's not just another AI tool. Thinkercan focuses on providing an all-in-one platform that can be scaled across various industries, and that's something we don't see often in AI software. One of the first things that make Thinkercan AI stand out is its intuitive user interface. This isn't some overly complicated system that requires days of learning. You can start using it right out of the gate. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, you'll find Thinkercan's layout to be simple and easy to navigate. There's a minimal learning curve, which is a huge win when you're looking to integrate AI into your operations quickly. Let's talk features. Thinkercan offers automation tools that are game changers for customer engagement. It's designed to handle repetitive tasks, like responding to customer inquiries or managing social media posts. This can save you hours each week. Thinkercan AI doesn't just stop there. It also helps with lead generation and data analysis, making it a great tool for both B2B and B2C businesses. Now, if you've been using other AI platforms, you know that customization can sometimes be a pain. But Thinkercan AI is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your exact needs. Want to set up custom workflows or integrate with other apps you're already using? It's all possible here. You get a lot of control, which makes Thinkercan a powerful tool for anyone who's serious about boosting their productivity. The third thing to note is its AI-driven insights. Thinkercan uses machine learning to analyze your data and provide actionable insights. This means you're not just guessing about what your customers want or how to optimize your workflow. You get precise, data-backed recommendations that can drive better decision-making. It's like having a dedicated data scientist on your team without the extra overhead. One of the biggest concerns with new AI software is its scalability. You don't want to invest in something that works only for your current needs, but won't grow with you. Thinkercan has scalability built in. Whether you have a small team or a global operation, Thinkercan can adjust and scale with you. This adaptability makes it a solid choice for long-term use. Another crucial feature is security. As businesses become more dependent on AI, data privacy and security become top priorities. Thinkercan AI takes this seriously, offering robust encryption and privacy protocols to ensure that your data stays safe. Whether you're dealing with customer information or proprietary business data, you can trust that Thinkercan has your back. Now, I know you're probably thinking, is it affordable? The good news is, Thinkercan offers a pricing structure that makes sense. While the full suite of features isn't free, they offer a free trial that you can access right now using the first link below. It's a great way to test everything out and see if Thinkercan AI is the right fit for your business without committing to a paid plan upfront. Finally, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've got to say, Thinkercan AI has earned its place among my recommended AI software list. It's feature-packed, customizable, and most importantly, it delivers real value. But don't just take my word for it. Try Thinkercan AI for free and see how it can streamline your workflow. Remember, all the details are in the description below, and you can try the software for free with my link. If you're ready to step up your AI game, Thinkercan AI could be the tool you've been looking for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.